Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanette, and on this channel my dad and I share our ideas for plant-based foods. I'm also a nurse, so I share on occasion some wellness and well-being tips. Today I'm going to do a quick what I eat in a day video. So for breakfast I am going to show you my oatmeal, and I'm also going to have a little bit of tofu scrambled with that. So keeping it simple for breakfast, this is just rolled oats cooked in water with a little cinnamon. I put a little maple syrup in there to add some sweetness, and some frozen blueberries. And then my tofu scramble was crumbled tofu with steamed broccoli, sauteed mushrooms and onions, added some spices, and topped it with some salsa. So a nice simple breakfast. Around lunchtime, I decided to take a walk. It was nice out, and as you can see, we already have some color change here in upstate New York. And for lunch, I made myself a nice salad. I like to take advantage of the fresh lettuce we have this time of year. So I used a couple handfuls of romaine, and then I add some colorful non-starchy veggies, anything that I have on hand really. So this was bell peppers. And I actually have a video on how I make a salad into a meal, and I'll put a little card for that up above. And I also added some zucchini and carrot salad, which I had made for my cookbook, and that has a very light marinade on it. I also had some cooked quinoa that I was using for recipes, so I put some of that on there, as well as some lentils, and these are just canned lentils. And then I didn't have any of my own dressings made up, so I used this one from Well Your World, and this is the sweet mustard dressing, which I think is really tasty. And then I like to add something with a little bit of fat in it, so I get these little guacamole cups, and I only need to use about a half of one of those, and then a few sunflower seeds on top for some crunch. Alright, I'm actually quite full from my salad, so I don't need anything else to eat right now, but I do have a little bit more work I have to do, and I'm going to cozy up to the computer with a matcha latte. So I'm going to show you here in a minute how I make mine. Now, I went ahead and purchased a matcha kit to do this. You certainly don't need a kit to make a good cup of matcha tea, but you do need a good matcha, so make sure that you do your homework on that and get one from a reputable supplier. I'm going to go ahead and link below where I got this kit, and the tea, of course. But like I said, you don't need all the equipment, but do make sure that you get a good tea. Alright, so that's my matcha latte. Good matcha tea will have a nice, bright, herbal, almost grassy flavor to it. It's just, I really enjoy it in the afternoons. So I'm gonna go cozy up to the computer, finish some work, and I will see you guys either for snack or dinner. We did roasted potatoes for dinner, and since I'm not using oil on these, I use parchment paper so that they don't stick to the pan. And then I keep these little spice mixtures I make on hand in little containers. So this one is dill, onion powder, garlic, salt, and a little bit of paprika, and then I add a little freshly cracked black pepper. I toss everything together to get everything coated with the spices, spread everything out in a single layer there, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Then I sauteed some onions, mushrooms, and I put frozen spinach in there as well, and that was my veggie side. And I also had some more romaine lettuce with dinner with some of the sweet mustard dressing. I had some of my cheese sauce made, and this time I had added some green chili salsa to it, so it was kind of like a spicy queso. So I topped my potatoes with that. Alright, it's time for me to start winding down for the evening. So I have some herbal tea. This is just sleepy time tea. And then I'm gonna have a little bit of fruit. We had some good looking fruit at the grocery store, so I picked up some cherries, grapes, and plums. So I'm gonna have a little bowl of fruit, and that will be what I ate today. I also like to do something nice for myself in the evening time, so tonight I'm gonna read my book for a while. I'm gonna do my bedtime yoga to unwind, do some deep breathing, and then crawl into bed. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like this and if you want to see more videos like this. I also asked my dad if he would do a what I ate in a day video, because I know you guys have been asking about that. So I'll see if we can't pull one of those together for you. And that's it. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a good night.